Dahil sinabi ko kayo na thank you Lord talaga. Siyempre sobrang proud sa team. Alam naman namin kung paano kami nag-ready, nag-prepare. And nakakatuwa, sarap nila panoorin kanina actually. And siguro yung adjustment lang, mas nakikita namin nag-i-improve. Pero alam namin marami pang pwedeng gawin. Especially yun nga, going to last game for Saturday. So, sobrang happy. Thank you Lord.
Thank you, Coach. Vani, best player of the game. Another big game for you, for Signal. Personally, gano'n ka lang din ka-proud sa pinakita ng team, especially dito sa back-to-back wins niya?
I'm very proud of the team, of course, because we worked so hard. We really worked very hard. So I'm very proud. You can see today was really a team effort. Everyone was moving. We were doing everything we studied, and I'm just happy that we were able to execute everything the coaches taught us.
Thank you. Ate Dawn, back-to-back wins nga for Signal, and ito na sa qualifying round na kayo. Siguro gano'ng kalaking boost lang din tong panalo na to heading into yung crucial stretch na rin ng conference?
For us, every win talaga very crucial. Lalo na may rank. Important yung ranking ngayon coming into the step ladder ganun, sa next round. So, thankful lang kami and we prepare talaga for each game.
Coach, sa'yo personally, gano'n lang ka-special itong araw na ito. Gano'n lang ka-work, galing ka manalo na tapos pumunta dito, tapos top 4 na rin yung Signal.
Sobrang special tong day na to. Before na dumating tong Saturday, hindi ko alam kung ano pwede mangyari. Pero ang good thing kasi yung preparation talaga. So paano rin ni-ready yung USTM, tong Signal. And happy ako kasi yung response nila dun sa naging preparation namin, naging magandang result. So, sobrang okay.
Coach, gano'n lang ka-fulfilling or siguro paano mo lang binabalanse pala yung dalawang coaching jobs?
Ano ba? Natutulog muna ako ng maayos. Well, to be honest, mahirap talaga eh. Kasi syempre, magkaiba sila ng style, magkaiba ng diskarte or whatsoever. But ang good thing, yung paano, yun nga, yung paano sila nag-react dun sa mga nagiging game plan. And, ano ba, siguro yung commitment ng bawat isa, both coaches and players din. And then, also the management din, na talagang alam namin laging nandyan. So, ayun, and kailangan talaga, yun yung mas ma-improve pa namin and pagbutihin pa namin.
Coach, laging natatanong. Living two lives, dalawa yung kino-coach. Hindi naman nabago since may mga ibang coach din na gawa-gawa niya. Sa inyo, Coach, paano nyo na lang ginaground yung sarili niyo since two results yung kailangan niyo i-deliver, especially today?
Hindi ko rin masagot eh.
Stay in the moment.
Yeah, stay in the moment and then
And you're blessed kasi
sabi siya sila wala na ako
we're having help from a friend.
Wala friend, pwede ba yan? Yun, and then, ano ba? Siguro yung good thing lang yung may time, may in-between time na para dun sa both teams. Pero, hindi talaga siya madali. Especially, yun nga, UAAP and BBL. But, gusto ko yung ginagawa ko, love na love ko yung volleyball, ito na yung buhay ko. So, and I'm so happy na meron akong team na gano'n. Dalawang team na nandyan talaga na tinutulungan talaga ako. Sobrang yun yung number one. Na tinutulungan talaga ako kung ano yung gusto ko rin mangyari. Sorry.
Siguro sa players na lang, paano? Ayan. Paano lang yung pag-handle sa inyo ni Coach Shaq and gano'n kayo?
Thank you.
Lagi kami muna 1 month.
Okay.
Pagkatalo yung UST.
Sa amin, siguro, nafe-feel talaga namin yung napakalaki yung tiwala niya sa amin. Kaya lagi niya kami pinupush. So, yun. Masarap sa feeling na pag pinagkakatiwalaan ka ng coach. And yun, binibigay namin yung best namin kasi alam ni coach kung ano yung potential ng team.
And we see the dedication naman of our coaches na they have to go to our practice, they're never late, they're always there, then they have to go to UST. So we also do our best to try to help him, calm him in practice, para happy lang si Coach.
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Lasal, UST, Ateneo. Siguro may mga banter ba behind the scenes or wala naman?
Wala naman.
Wala naman.
Okay.
Coaches! Pag Adamson yung kalaban nila, pukbuk sila kay Ishi.
Uy,
Joke
hindi ako.
lang, joke lang. No, wala. Fun lang. Pero we support din naman, of course, our teams. We support Coach Shaq's teams.
Thank you.
Sa players yun nga, babalik yung All-Star sa PBL. Ano lang pakiramdam na mayroon na ulit na gano'n na event na may All-Star na tayo.
Go, Bani.
All-Star. Siguro, it's a way of giving back to the fans. Na makita yung mga volleyball idols nila and parang show them a different side of us.
Sa'yo ba? Same question.
Copy paste. Joke lang. It's gonna be fun, of course, because we get to, well, if we're part, we get to experience playing with other teammates, other players from different teams, and then for sure it's gonna be a fun experience, like the PBA.
Coach, yun na last game before the qualifying round, team line, pareho kayong top team. So, paano lang yung magiging mindset heading into that game?
Mindset. Ay, pag-aaralan namin sila mabuti. Alam naman natin kung paano sila maglaro. And enjoy namin kung anong meron kami today. And puro yung recovery talaga. And preparation. Kailangan din namin. So, yun lang. Yun lang muna po.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you!